Unraveling Evidence Collection, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: evidence collection. Whether you're a fan of detective shows, interested in legal dramas, or just curious about the English language, understanding this term can add a valuable layer to your vocabulary. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and see it in action. Stay tuned to enrich your English learning journey. Evidence collection refers to the process of gathering, documenting, and preserving material that can prove or disprove facts or allegations, usually within the context of legal proceedings, investigations, or research. This term is often associated with law enforcement, legal cases, and scientific studies. It's crucial because the quality and integrity of evidence can significantly impact the outcome of a case or research findings. The integrity of evidence collection is paramount. In legal contexts, it can determine guilt or innocence. In science, it can confirm or refute theories. Proper collection methods ensure evidence is admissible in court or credible in research, emphasizing the need for meticulousness and adherence to protocols. Let's break down how evidence collection works in different fields. In law enforcement, it involves collecting physical items at a crime scene, like fingerprints, DNA samples, or objects that could link a suspect to the crime. In legal proceedings, lawyers gather documents, witness statements, and expert testimonies to build their cases. In research, scientists collect data through experiments, surveys, or observations to support or debunk hypotheses. Despite its importance, evidence collection faces challenges such as potential contamination, loss of evidence, or bias in selection and interpretation. These challenges highlight the need for strict standards and ethical considerations in collecting evidence. Understanding evidence collection enriches your English vocabulary and offers insight into its critical role in various fields. We hope this exploration helps you grasp the term's importance and application. Thank you for joining us today. Keep learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, every word you learn opens a new door to understanding the world better. Happy learning!